welcome back to the Cardello Sisters. Today we're going to do the Snicker Bar Challenge. So Snickers came out with a whole bunch of different flavors. So my mom bought three of the cream flavors. And we're going to try to guess what they are. We know that one of them is peanut butter, but we don't know which one is
because our dad ate it. Yeah. Because our dad ate one. Yeah.
So, but they all look the same. So I'm going to I'm going to be writing down whoever gets the right one and gets a point. So, and there's going to be 4. There's 4 in each pack. So,
I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna try to do it with no hands.
This smells
No. Wait, let me smell it. It smells like dark chocolate and peanuts. Oh yeah. I think I know what this is.
I know what this is.
Also, this is good and gross at the same time. I don't know if I like it or not.
I know. It's yummy.
Oh, no.
Alright. You have your guess?
Yeah.
Alright. On the count of 3, we're going to shout out which one we get. Which one we think it is. Or what we think it is. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Almond butter.
I was gonna. Oh, wait.
I
actually didn't. Wait. It does actually taste like almond butter, and I was gonna say peanut butter.
You said peanut butter?
And peanut. But I'll go with almond butter, actually, because it actually sounds better than that.
We both agreed that the first one was
Almond
butter. So we have our second one.
That's mine. Taste it. I don't know what it tastes like.
Oh God, I found it.
Peanut butter.
It's peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
This
Peanut
one-
butter. We're from peanut butter.
This one's definitely peanut butter. So I'm gonna write peanut butter down.
This kind of tastes like a peanut butter cup. This tastes exactly like a peanut butter cup. I love it. This is so good. I'm gonna eat the whole thing right now.
It's a lot of chocolate. I only took 1 bite out of mine.
I took 2 right now. Third one. And also, these little things come in little big squares.
So I think that this is the peanut butter and this is caramel. Because all Snickers have caramel in it. It's just how it works.
I think it's peanut butter. Peanut butter jelly time. Would you mention if one was jelly and I was like peanut butter jelly time? We could have these for breakfast. Next one.
They all look pretty. This one looks like it has darker chocolate than this one though.
Oh, let me. No, to me they look the same. Last one. And they come in little square pieces. Like,
Did you
big.
eat it already?
I didn't eat it already. Did you?
Yeah.
I do not know what this is.
All right. I think I got it.
I don't think so. I don't know.
Yeah, I know what this is.
Give me a minute to think. I don't know. Guys, I don't know this one.
I found it not very flavorful.
No.
You've been eating them?
Yeah.
My mom has been eating them. Wow.
What do you think?
I don't know what this is.
I know what it is.
I don't.
All right.
Wait, let me see. Oh, now I know what this is.
I think it's creamy almond.
I think it's caramel.
Caramel?
Creamy or caramel almond or just. I'll go with a brand of creamy almond. It does actually taste like creamy almond. peanut butter one is all.
So I think that this one was
Creamy or almond butter.
I think it was like a creamy nut.
Almond butter, yeah. Me too.
So the first one was maple. There was no maple in the first one. It was maple almond butter.
There was no maple.
But there was
How is it maple almond butter?
There was no maple. So I'm gonna give both of us a half a point for that.
Yeah, half.
For that one. Alright.
No, it's number
the
two.
second one was
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter.
we both knew that one. And then Kyla, what'd you say was the
butter.
last one?
I said, remember, it was creamier-ish, almond butter-ish.
That was just almond butter.
Are you serious?
So you said creamy almond, I said creamy nut. So Kyla should get a half point.
What?
You should get a half point for that one, and I get 0. So Kyla, you are the winner.
If you checked out our peep challenge, that time, I'm not going to give you any spoilers, but I'm just telling you who won.
So, I think what was your favorite?
I don't know. I do not know. I don't know. And also, we tried 6 peeps.
I think mine favorite was the almond butter. What was your favorite? I really like the almond butter.
I think my favorite
Was the maple almond butter?
maple almond butter. I want to have the last one. My mom was like this.
I think my least favorite was probably the peanut butter one. It didn't have like all that flavor like a Snicker usually does. Like, well, also it was like the only one that didn't have like a crunch to it, which a Snicker is crunchy.
I go with Sabrina.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and well, bye.
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Make sure that you click the like button and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified when a new video pops up. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.